EarlyBird investment app pricing explained what you get for your money. EarlyBird is an app designed to make investing for children simple and accessible. Many parents assume investing for kids is complicated or expensive, but EarlyBird focuses on low-cost, straightforward options. The app is free to download, and opening an account carries no setup fee. EarlyBird charges a monthly subscription of $99 per child, which covers account management, investment access, and custodial features. There are no trading fees for ITFs and fractional shares, making it easy to invest small amounts regularly. Most people get this wrong by assuming low-cost platforms offer limited investment choices. The surprising truth is EarlyBird provides diversified portfolios of ITFs that cover equities, bonds, and socially responsible investments. Parents can even select portfolios aligned with values like sustainability and innovation. For example, a monthly contribution can automatically purchase fractional shares across a diversified portfolio tailored for long-term growth. EarlyBird also allows family and friends to contribute directly to a child's account, which makes gift-giving practical and meaningful. The app provides simple performance tracking, showing projected growth over time and helping children learn about investing from an early age. In conclusion, EarlyBird is an affordable, educational, and flexible way to invest for children. Its transparent pricing, automated portfolio management, and family-friendly features make it a strong choice for parents looking to build long-term wealth for their kids.